Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to group text layer in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer and type any text. Example, I use Alt key and text layer 1 to text layer 3. Okay, then hold Control, select multiple selection text layer, then press Control Z, group the text layer and ungroup group only and hold shift, select the last layer text layer, then select automatically all text layer, then again press Ctrl Z, group text layer. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.